Hi, hello and welcome to the channel. We're here with a Shadowblade 50mm EDF. It's a side project. Tim and I made a joint venture and he designed a Delta. He designed Delta since 30 years and he asked me to help him on his project. And I have the idea after the prop version with 90cm wingspan and the EDF version 90mm wingspan to make the EDF50mm with a wingspan of 63 centimeters. So here's the Maiden and you see it's totally easy. You have a launch rail under the Delta and it's very handy and it's easy to fly, but it's very fast. You can fly it slow, but at the beginning I have to check up how fast it is. Fly the Maiden with a 50mm EDF from QX with 4600 kV and one LiPo 1300 4S. And the landing is super easy with the Delta. It's so smooth.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
And when the CG is on the right position, it's totally easy to fly inverted.
4 minutes.
And full throttle makes a lot of fun.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
And after some throws, I want to check up the ground takeoff, and it's no problem, it's so easy. After a flight of 5:30, there are 70% left. Half throttle.